Altadena was one of the areas that was devastated by fire.
We had to get out with nothing.
Seeing the devastation that took place in this community was heartbreaking. Being able to be here rebuilding this home, it's really bringing hope back to this community.
And to be back here now, it's like the true comeback American story.
What I'm seeing here is beyond what I would have imagined.
Speechless. Just to see what has developed here. I couldn't even imagine that it would be as beautiful as this. And this is really, really a pleasure, really a blessing. And I am so appreciative. It's beyond what we expected.
This is the router. We're going to hook up our internet, and we're going to get you guys going. Thank you. High-speed internet. Okay?